What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV, back again with another video, and today is a pretty urgent day. We have to put up some shutters and take some precautions to get ready for this hurricane that's coming. Hurricane Matthew is coming to Florida. It's a category 3 or 4. They're not too sure yet. We have to prepare for that. We got all the water. We got all the batteries. Today we're setting up the shutters. I'm gonna help Dad and Marcus with the shutters. It's a very cautious day, guys. Take some notes. But we're just trying to be safe. We're protecting the windows. So, alright guys. I don't know who this Matthew character is, but he better watch himself, because guess what? We're prepared! Whoa.
You're asking for it.
Dad, we're the weather chasers out here, right? Woo! Let's chase some storms! I'd say that house is pretty protected.
I would say so. I watched that ball.
Alright, we're stopping by Chick-fil-A to, you know, eat some food.
Some sweet cheese.
That's unsanitary.
Okay, my pleasure.
Alright, so we got us some food from Chick-fil-A. And now it's time to help Uncle Leonard out with his shutters. We're the storm repairmen. No, storm preparation men. That's what we are.
Get a little bit of money and you
Let me say something.
brought the crew over to get this done.
Yeah, because my mathematical skills are not working too well, Johnny. So,
Where you want me to park?
just back up till you hit something, man.
Guys, this is Uncle Leonard's first vlog he's gonna be in. We gotta say hi to him. Hey, first vlog you've been in. How you doing today?
None of your damn business.
You know this is a family-oriented show. There ain't no cussing on here.
Oh, well.
Just saying.
What is that button you put? Is it bleep?
Go ahead, let it out right now.
Beep! Damn it, beep. Oh, oh, Jesus.
We're not even halfway there. Well, we're like about 35% done. We're getting there. We're just trying to put the pieces to the puzzle.
Status of the storm, it's still a very powerful storm, category 320-mile-per-hour wind. Pressure's the same and the movement is the same as well. The big difference is what we're seeing with the advisories. And
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. We're all going to try to stay safe through this hurricane. We came prepared. We're ready for it. I hope everybody on the east side is well prepared for this storm because it's coming and it's going to hit us pretty hard. Jolo2TV, out.